Hey everyone, it's MKBHD here. Today we're diving into the world of smartwatches. These aren't your grandpa's timepieces. They're packed with tech from fitness trackers to notification hubs. But are they worth it? Let's break it down, exploring the pros and cons to see if a smartwatch is right for you. We've all seen them, sleek and stylish on people's wrists. Smartwatches have exploded in popularity, offering a blend of functionality and fashion, but with so many options and features, it's easy to get lost in the hype. This essay will be your guide, exploring the good and the bad of these wrist-worn gadgets. We'll cover everything from the convenience of notifications to the limitations of battery life. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what smartwatches offer and whether they're a worthwhile investment for your lifestyle. So, buckle up and let's explore the world of smartwatches. One of the biggest selling points of smartwatches is their convenience. Imagine this, your phone's buried in your bag, but you get a text. Instead of digging through your bag, you simply glance at your wrist. Boom, message received and read. Smartwatches act as an extension of your smartphone, bringing notifications, calls, and messages directly to your wrist. No more missing that important call or email because your phone was on silent. But it's not just about notifications. Smartwatches can control music playback, set alarms, and even make contactless payments. It's like having a mini computer on your wrist, ready to simplify your daily tasks. Need to set a quick reminder while your hands are full? No problem. Just tell your smartwatch and you're good to go. This seamless integration with your digital life is a major convenience that many smartwatch users swear by. Smartwatches have evolved into powerful health and fitness companions. They track your steps, monitor your heart rate, and even analyze your sleep patterns. It's like having a personal trainer and health coach right there on your wrist. For fitness enthusiasts, smartwatches offer detailed metrics on workouts, helping you optimize your performance and track your progress. Whether you're running, cycling, or hitting the gym, a smartwatch can be a valuable tool in achieving your fitness goals. But it's not just for athletes. Smartwatches promote a healthier lifestyle for everyone. They encourage you to move more, track your calorie burn, and even monitor your stress levels. With personalized insights and reminders, smartwatches help you make healthier choices throughout the day. So, whether you're a fitness buff or just starting your wellness journey, a smartwatch can be a motivating and informative companion. Gone are the days of boring, one-size-fits-all watches. Smartwatches offer endless customization options, letting you express your personality and style. From interchangeable watch faces to a wide variety of straps, you can personalize your smartwatch to match your mood, outfit, or even your favorite sports team. Want a classic analog watch face for a formal event? No problem. Feeling sporty and want a digital display with fitness stats? Easy. The possibilities are endless. You can even customize the watch faces with your own photos, creating a truly unique and personalized look. And it's not just about the watch face. Smartwatches come in various materials and finishes, from sleek stainless steel to colorful aluminum. Whether you prefer a classic leather strap or a sporty silicone band, you'll find the perfect combination to match your style. This level of customization sets smartwatches apart from traditional watches, allowing you to create a device that's uniquely yours. Section 5. Finding your way. GPS and navigation features. Lost in a new city? No need to pull out your phone and fumble with maps. Smartwatches with built-in GPS provide real-time navigation right on your wrist. Simply enter your destination, and the watch will guide you with turn-by-turn directions, complete with vibrations to alert you about upcoming turns. This feature is incredibly convenient for runners, cyclists, and anyone exploring a new place. No more stopping to check your phone for directions, just glance at your wrist and keep moving. Some smartwatches even offer offline maps so you can navigate without a phone connection. This is particularly useful for international travel or areas with spotty cellular coverage. With GPS and navigation features, smartwatches become more than just timepieces. They transform into powerful tools for exploration and getting around with ease. Section 6. The battery life struggle, a constant companion. Now let's dive into some of the drawbacks of smartwatches, starting with battery life. Unlike traditional watches that can last for months or even years on a single battery, most smartwatches need to be charged daily. Imagine forgetting to charge your watch overnight. You wake up ready to track your morning run, but your smartwatch is dead. Not ideal, right? This constant need for charging can be a hassle, especially for those who are used to wearing their watch 24/7. While some newer models boast improved battery life, it's still a common pain point for many smartwatch users. Manufacturers are constantly working on improving battery technology, but for now, the trade-off for all those smart features is a device that needs frequent charging. Section 7. Size matters the limits of a small screen. Smartwatches pack a lot of tech into a small package, but that compact size comes with a trade-off, a small screen. While this might not be an issue for checking notifications or tracking fitness stats, it can be a limiting factor for other tasks. Typing on a tiny touchscreen keyboard can be a frustrating experience, especially for those with larger fingers. Reading long emails or articles on a small display can also be a strain on the eyes. While manufacturers are experimenting with larger displays and innovative user interfaces, the screen size limitations remain a significant drawback for some users. It's a classic case of you win some, you lose some in the world of technology. Section 8, the price of smart. Considering the cost, smartwatches don't come cheap. In fact, they can be quite expensive, especially compared to traditional watches. High-end models with advanced features can cost as much as a smartphone, making them a significant investment. While there are more affordable options available, these often come with compromises in terms of features, design, or build quality. It's important to carefully consider your budget and what features are most important to you before investing in a smartwatch. Think about how you plan to use the smartwatch and what features you absolutely need. Do you need GPS, cellular connectivity, or advanced health tracking? Answering these questions will help you narrow down your options and choose a smartwatch that fits your needs and budget without breaking the bank. Section 9. Tied to your phone, the dependency dilemma. While smartwatches offer a degree of independence from your smartphone, they are still heavily reliant on a phone connection for many features. Without a paired smartphone, many smartwatches lose much of their functionality. You might not be able to receive notifications, make calls, or even use some fitness tracking features without your phone nearby. This dependency can be a deal breaker for some, especially those looking for a standalone device. However, some smartwatches offer standalone cellular connectivity, allowing you to leave your phone behind and still stay connected. These models usually come at a premium price, but offer the ultimate freedom and flexibility. Consider your connectivity needs and whether you're comfortable being tethered to your phone before making a decision. Section 10. Weighing the pros and cons, finding the right fit. So are smartwatches worth it? The answer, like most things in tech, is it depends. Smartwatches offer a compelling blend of convenience, health tracking, and style, but they also come with drawbacks like limited battery life, small screens, and a reliance on smartphones. The key is to weigh the pros and cons based on your individual needs and lifestyle. If you value staying connected, tracking your fitness, and having a stylish and customizable timepiece, a smartwatch could be a great fit for you. However, if you're on a tight budget, concerned about battery life, or prefer a more traditional watch experience, a smartwatch might not be the best investment. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Section 11. The future of smartwatches, a glimpse ahead. Smartwatches have come a long way since their early days, and the future looks even brighter. We can expect to see even more advanced features, improved battery life, and sleeker designs in the years to come. Imagine a smartwatch that can monitor your blood sugar levels, provide personalized health recommendations, or even control smart home devices with a flick of your wrist. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the capabilities of smartwatches. Whether they become indispensable tools for daily life or remain niche gadgets for tech enthusiasts, one thing is certain: smartwatches are here to stay. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at the world of smartwatches, their pros, cons, and what the future holds. Now, the decision is in your hands. Will you join the smartwatch revolution?